Good morning. Good time of the day. Hello. Yes. Come in, come in, come in. Welcome. Welcome. I'm standing up because I'd like us to start with a little warm-up exercise. If you would like to stand up, and if you can stand up, join me in doing that. So whilst people are still joining us, let's stand upright on our feet and let's find the center of our what's the word? Our own personal body gravity of our weight. So we'll go back and forth on our feet and we find a place where our weight is right in the middle between the front and the back of our feet. Find that place, stabilize, feel the connection of your soles with the ground, really connected to the ground, connected to whatever it is, your wooden floor or whatever it is, and right and left as well. And find the place where your weight is in the middle somewhere and stand right in the middle of that weight, and then bring everything together, the front of your feet, the back and the right side and the left side, everything is right in the center and you're solid on your feet, you're standing upright with your shoulders unfolded, open, open, a breath into our belly. And breathe out. Yes, if you want to do more, do more. But really feel that connection with the ground. That's our nice little short warm-up. So I'm going to unmute whoever is here just to say hello to each other. Wait, give me a second. Unmuting you. Hello.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Hello. Great. So as you know, we're bringing all our songs here together. Oh, somebody is still to mute. Naughty, naughty. Yes. Yesterday I was singing a song and I had to mute someone as I was singing. Leslie, you're not muted for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, continue. So we're going straight into our singing, but as announced, we're going to sing through all our songs that we've done in this run of sessions. So if you don't know all of these songs and you've missed a few sessions, you'll have the option of just going la 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 with us and singing as much as you can and doing as much as you like, right? So the first song that we ever sang, and it was our very first session here, was a Russian song called Подонок гуляет. It was a Cossack song. And with every song we will do this. We will sing it just the melody one time through, and then we will sing it with text if you wish, right? So I will sing it la la la, and then with the Russian text. Usually it's just one verse. That's what we've done. So I'm going straight into our first song. It's called Подонок гуляет. You will see what it looks like. This is it. It says short version, because we're not singing all the 17 verses in the original folk song. Right, somebody is not muted. Wait a second, I need to mute everyone, otherwise it will be a mess. Mute all, mute all. Some people are still managing to switch themselves on, you know, sometimes. Right, to our song. So, here is how the tune goes, and it's the simplest tune you can imagine, and it's beautiful. It goes like this. And you're still upright? La 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 la. Repeat the second phrase. Let's sing it together. No text. La 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 la. Text is really simple here, and it's an old story. And remember, we talked about Eurydice and Orpheus. and Orpheus going to all the way to hell to save his beloved. And that's the very origin of this story, which is a Cossack and Ukrainian story about a man and his beloved jumping into water and dying, and then the story has so changed that there is no musical instrument or anything like this, but it's a sad story with a lot of spooky stuff in it. Okay, let's go. Padonna гуляет. Cossack is walking on dawn. 1, 2. Padonna гуляет, Padonna гуляет, Padonna гуляет, казак молодой. Падону гуляет, казак молодой. Ла-ла-ла. Ла-ла-ла-ла-ла-ла. Now we just sing the second verse. Try with me. In the text it's your number 2. А там дева плачет. А там дева плачет, а там дева плачет, а там дева плачет над быстрой рекой, а там дева плачет над быстрой рекой. How is that? Okay. Everyone happy?
Yeah.
Good. Now we have to move from song to song today, but I did say that I will answer some of your questions. So yeah, you're all chatting between yourselves. No questions to me. That's good. Let's move on to the next song. And you can ask me about a song. What does it mean? What do you think it is? Anything about our choirs, anything about, I don't know, history of some of the songs. If I know, I'll help you. Or do you think all Russian songs are sad? You know, funny questions like this are good too. So the second song will be Одинокая гармонь, Lonely Accordion. And it's a waltz, a slow waltz. We sang, I don't know if it was our second session with Russian songs or not, but it was certainly in the early days. And the tune, let's see if we can sing it without looking at our music. It goes like this. You know what, let's go lower. Sorry, wait. Different tune. La 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 Yeah, let's take you to the tune. Some of you remember it, some of you will just pick it up. And this is about a lonely accordion player. Oh, we don't have English text here in the score. Accordion player is looking for his love, playing in faraway roads and coming into the village. And maybe we say to him, your beloved is right here. So just sing to them, they'll come out of the house and you'll find them. So you know what, because the tune, the Latin is not in the music, let's look at our music one more time, sing it with no text, and then we will sing it looking at the text, right? Let's go, just the tune. La 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 la. How is that? Let's see your faces. How is that? Okay, I'm unmuting you.
Good.
Happy? Okay.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Hello, Mimi.
Great. Okay, so you can cope with the tune because I'll take you to the text right now. Oh, we have some native Russians here in our company. Welcome. You know the song. So what we will do now, we will sing as if we know 3 verses. We will la 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 1 verse. We will sing the first verse with text, and then we'll go back to la la la, and we will go slightly higher because I realize that for our baritone and soprano singers, it's quite tough, quite low. Let's go. La 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 So we're going to the first verse. That's your block of text starting with снова. Снова замерло все до рассвета. Дверь не скрипнет, не вспыхнет огонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. Только слышно на улице где-то одинокая бродит гармонь. Ай да 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 All right. How is that?
It's beautiful.
Very good. It's lovely.
Now,
Hello.
Very nice. Lovely, 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 lovely.
now, if we have first timers here, we're here for the very first time. I don't know how your Russian is. I don't know how your music reading skills are, but you know, do what you can. Now, let's see if we have any questions. Oh, you're on chatting to each other. Great. Yeah, you're all chatting to each other. That's great. You know that you can post your comments on the Sing With Me page. If you go all the way to the end of that page, there is a comments block. So you can give your comments. That's for me for future, you know, to take with me, to think about what we can do better or differently. So please do write your comments. So we're going next to the next song, and let's see what's our next treat. Our next treat is, oh, Coachman, Don't Rush Your Horses, a Russian art song, a Russian romance from over 100 years ago. And the tune goes like this. It's a bit more sophisticated because it goes slow and then it goes fast. My journey is so sad. I have nowhere else to go. I have nobody else to love. Coachman, don't rush your horses. So let's run through the tune. La 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 One more time. La 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 la. All right. I love that tune. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Very good.
Great.
Nice. Very nice.
It just takes you somewhere, doesn't it? So I'm taking you to our text. Quite a few people here today. Great. Quite a few people here for the first time. That's fantastic. Right. Anything I need to know? Yes. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. And we will do the same thing. We will sing one time through the song again, like this, with no text. And then we will sing through the text, catch what you can, whatever, you know, you can do la 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 again. And then we will sing it la 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 one more time, okay? Let's go. La, 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 la. Let's start with text. Как грустно, туманно кругом, тосклив, безотраден мой путь, а прошлое кажется сном, томит наболевшую грудь. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Coachman, don't rush your horses. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Chorus one more time. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. Мне некуда больше спешить. Мне некого больше любить. Ямщик, не гони лошадей. We're going slightly lower for those with low voices. La la la. La 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 la. We know it now, right? La 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 one more time. Ready for the high note?
Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Come on, we have to do it, you know, stylistically, you know, schmaltzy, flashy. Just have a bit of fun. Now we're moving to our next song. I don't know if we have time for all of them, I hope. So the next one will be, let's see what's on the list. Right, that was this unfortunate session where our connection wasn't perfect, but the song is lovely. It's about getting drinks into our glasses and drinking to friendship. Now, I want to bring this song back, and some of our choir members know it. So we will sing through it and see if we can get through it nicely with text. If not, then not. Now, here is the tune. La la la, 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 going higher, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Pour your goblets fuller. Let's drink to our family that stands shoulder to shoulder, and let's spend this time together with more closeness and get together closer. So I think it's a nice song. Let's do it one more time. The text, you know what, let's sing the tune one more time, okay? I think quite a few of you look a bit puzzled. So here comes the tune. Okay, let's go. It's the same key as you see on the page. La 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 How is that?
That's
All right,
nice.
yeah.
That's lovely.
We know.
I love it. That's lovely. I love it when you say that's lovely. Yep, that feels good. Now, we will sing it with text. Russian speakers, non-Russian speakers, do what you can. The only word that you absolutely have to sing with everyone is which? Налей. It's imperative. Pour, pour, pour more drink into your glass. So, наша жизнь коротка, our life is short, but we needn't spend it on useless things. We need to spend it on singing and drinking and standing closer together. Let's go. Наша жизнь коротка, все уносит с собой. Наша юность, друзья, пронесется стрелой. Проведемте, друзья, эту ночь веселей, и пусть наша семья соберется тесней. Налей, налей, бокалы полни, налей, налей, бокалы полни, и пусть наша семья соберется. Chorus one more time. Налей, налей бокалы полни, налей, налей бокалы полни, и пусть наша семья соберется тесней, и пусть наша семья соберется тесней. Let our family come closer together.
Yay!
Nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Very good.
Very nice.
Our lovely singing family. You're all chatting to each other. Добрый вечер, доброе утро, good morning, good evening, whatever. Now I'm hearing someone. Mute all. So we are moving to the next song, and let's see what's next on the list. The next one is another waltzy thing. It's a song that is still not known if it comes from the Yiddish origin or from Polish, but maybe it's all of them, and a Russian folk song as well. I know it from a Soviet film, Юность Максима, The Youth of Maxim. The blue, either ball, the globe, or just a blue ball, like a balloon, or a blue scarf. There's a tiny difference in these two words. We don't know what the original text was, is above our head, and it's going round and round. It wants to fall, and a young man wants to steal a young woman. Where is that woman? Where is that street? Where is that town where I used to live? And where is that woman? Here it is. Here is the street. Here is the house. And here is the woman I used to love. Oh, I love. The tune goes like this. Let me not show you this for now. Let's just look at each other and sing the tune because it's so simple. Together again. With text. Крутится, вертится шар голубой, крутится, вертится над головой, крутится, вертится, хочет упасть. Кавалер барышню хочет украсть. Крутится, вертится, хочет упасть. Кавалер барышню хочет украсть. And
Beautiful.
Very good, very good, very nice.
So much. Beautiful.
Getting better at it. We're getting.
we are getting better at it. I don't know how many of you remember all the tunes. If there's someone who knows all these tunes, please drop us a line here. Yes, I know all these songs. I guess all the Russian speakers will know all of these tunes. Yes. Okay. That's great. Now we're moving to our next song because we're not too far from the end of this session. So let's go to the next one. Gori, gori, моя звезда. Let's see if we remember that. Are you seeing the screen? Are you seeing my screen? Yeah? No? Wait, am I sharing? Screen share, there we go. So we will do the same thing. The tune is a bit more sophisticated than what we just did. So let's look at the music and sing the tune one time through and then sing it another time through with text. It's an odd song about a star of love shining above me. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la la I'm singing it with text, see if you can. Gori, gori, моя звезда, звезда любви, приветная, ты у меня одна заветная, другой не будет никогда. Ты у меня одна заветная, другой не будет никогда. We'll sing it one more time. You choose what to do. I will sing it with text. You can sing la la la. La la la. Гори, гори, моя звезда, звезда любви, приветная, ты у меня одна заветная, другой не будет никогда. Ты у меня одна заветная, другой не будет никогда.
My favourite. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Sound doesn't turn off.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
It's a lovely tune, isn't it? Lovely tune.
Fantastic.
So, oh, I can still hear someone. Let's mute you. So, how are we doing here in the chat? Everything is great. So, as I'll say it one more time, if you want to give me any comments and you don't have time to write them in the chat here, go to my Sing With Me page. On the bottom of the page, there is a comment thing. So let me know. And before we sing our last song, which will be, let's see what it is, which will be осенние листья шумят и шумят в саду, autumn leaves, and walking in the orchard, garden, park with someone that you love, and that friendship that is stronger than being apart. Yeah, very relevant to today. Before we sing that song, let me tell you one more time that Gail, you want to say something? You are holding your hand. Let me see. Gail, you wanted to say something?
No, mistake.
Okay. So, you know, when I see a hand like this, you know, you can put a hand up like this. We will do this in the next round of sessions. I will hopefully be able to monitor who is holding their hand up, and we can maybe hear what you want to say. So tomorrow will be a run through all the Yiddish songs that we've done in that run of sessions. And then I'm taking a break for 2 days just to tidy up my house and just prepare for the next run. It looks like we might be stuck here for another couple of weeks. So I'll carry on. I'll think who else I can bring to the shows. Thank you. And your support matters, by the way, and your good comments and your, you telling me that it's important to you. It really helps. Thank you very much. It's, I'm almost in tears here. It's really important for me to know. So then tomorrow Yiddish session, the day after, the 5th, break, the 6th, break. And on the 7th, we're starting again with the Russian song, then Yiddish, Russian, Yiddish concert. So we're definitely going to go for the next 10 days, and then I'll update it and update it and update it. Okay? So that's our plans, and keep following that page, and please keep bringing more people, because we can't, people get tired, get alternative things to do, so please. And here is our last song for today. And there are so many more lovely tunes I want to share with you. Here comes the tune. That's a good key. Well, let's go, la la la. La We'll go slightly lower. Осенние листья шумят и шумят в саду, знакомой тропою я рядом с тобой иду, и счастлив лишь тот, в ком сердце поет, с кем рядом любимый идет, и счастлив лишь тот, в ком сердце поет, с кем рядом любимый идет. Thank you very much. We have less than a minute left.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
See you again, Polina. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.